Multiply mixed numbers in 5th grade. The most common misconception that 5th graders have is you just multiply the whole numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. Multiply the fractions. Half times a fifth is a tenth, so 6 and 1/10. That's not the case. We actually have to multiply 2 by a fifth and 3 by a half as well. The easiest way we have found to do it, because we found a couple different ways to do it, we found the easiest way is to change them both to improper fractions. So to change 2 1/2 to an improper fraction, we call this the backwards C. It's not backwards. I don't know why I started that, but unfortunately I have created monsters, and one of them being myself. We multiply the denominator by the whole number, 2 times 2, and then we add the numerator. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and the denominator stays the same. 2 1/2 equals 5 halves. And just to prove that to you, 2 1/2, if I cut each of these in half as well, I end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 halves. And then I'm going to change 3 1/5 into an improper fraction. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 gives me 16 fifths. Denominator stays the same. Now all I have to do is multiply straight across. So 5 halves times 16 fifths equals, well, I'm going to have to do a little bit of work here. 16 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So that'll give me 80 tenths, because I multiplied 2 times 5 to get 10. And now I can simplify. We tell students this is a division problem, 80 divided by 10. So if you actually do 80 divided by 10, 10 goes into 80 8 times with nothing left over. So 2 1/2 times 3 1/5 equals 8.